afternoon, class. Can any of you tell me what Miss Cassie's new ivy plant needs to survive? That's right. A lot of plants need dirt, and plants need sunlight and water. Now, can any of you tell me how you know that plants need these things to survive? Yes, you're right. If you don't water a plant, then it will die. Now, what about sunlight? How do we know that plants need sunlight? You're right, some plants die when they don't get enough sunlight. Some plants don't grow when they get enough sunlight. You guys are all right. Now, can anybody tell me what the word experiment means? That's right. It's a test we use to study something. So, today we're going to do a very fun experiment, or at least the beginning of it, to find out if plants really need sunlight. So, we are going to test whether plants need sunlight. We are going to plant 2 sunflower seeds each. One of our sunflowers is going to go in the window where it gets lots of light after it has sprouted. The other one is going to go in this dark, dark closet over here to see if it grows. Now, we are going to take measurements every single day of our sunflowers to see how tall they've gotten. And we're going to do a data sheet at the end of this to see how much more one has grown than the other. Now, can any of you tell me what you think is going to happen? You think that the sunflowers in the dark aren't going to grow? Okay. Okay, you think that the sunflowers in the light are going to grow more, but the ones in the dark will still grow. I guess we're just going to have to find out, huh? Now, remember, it is going to be your responsibility to water your sunflowers each day and to take your measurements every single day so that we have everything needed. Now, I'm going to show you what we're going to do in order to set up our sunflower cups. I want you to each get your styrofoam cups and very carefully, Miss Cassie has a plastic cup, but yours are styrofoam because it's easier to cut those ones. I want you to very carefully cut a X into the bottom of your cup so that the water has somewhere to go when you have too much water in it. Once everybody has cut an X into the bottom of their cups, they're going to bring their cups up to Miss Cassie to get the dirt. Okay, before everybody comes up, let me finish showing you the procedure, okay? Now, when you bring your cup up to me, I'm going to get you dirt. I'm going to get you about this much dirt, okay? Then when you go back to your seats, each of you has a little sunflower seed. You're going to take your little sunflower seed. I know, they're tiny. You're very carefully going to pull it out of your bag. Well, if Miss Cassie can get hers, goodness gracious. And you're going to place it in your soil, just to your first knuckle, not very deep. Okay, then after that, we're going to put our sunflowers, all of our sunflowers, into these trays, and we're going to give them a little bit of water, just a little bit. We want it so the soil is just damp. But the reason we cut holes in the bottom is so that if you get too much water, some can drain out. Then we're going to wait until these seeds start sprouting. And once they start sprouting, we're going to put one in the window again, and we're going to put one in the closet. All right. Let's go ahead and start getting your cups ready. And then we'll start our worksheets.